Can you apply for a bridging visa? A bridging visa is just like its name implies. It's a bridge between visas and nothing more. Yet a massive amount of misunderstanding out there occurs amongst the visa-needing public about the bridging visa being the easy visa to apply for when you find yourself not ready to apply for a proper visa from Philippines to Australia. Now, what is a bridging visa? A bridging visa is one thing and one thing only. It is a way to keep a visa applicant lawfully in Australia when they don't have a substantive visa, which means basically a proper visa. It stops the applicant being in migration no man's land and being at risk of detention or deportation. Now, it's not an easy visa choice when you're still making your visa choice. It's not even something you directly apply for. You cannot walk into the Department of Immigration and Border Protection office and ask, "One bridging visa please." It just doesn't work like that. So what is it and how do you get one? Okay, to get a bridging visa you need to do the following. 1. Lodge a valid application for a substantive visa. Remember, a proper visa. You need to lodge an application. And 2, you need to wait for your current substantive visa to run out because the main visa application, the new one, hasn't finished being processed by the department. So you did the right thing and you lodged the visa application you had intended to lodge. Example, an onshore partner visa or an onshore tourist visa application, so you get to stay in Australia longer. And they haven't finished processing it. Get the idea? Okay, and whilst that processing takes place, you normally get a bridging visa A, so you can remain in Australia, not have to leave or risk being tossed out unceremoniously. And the bridging visa A remains until they make a decision on the substantive visa application. All things going well, they grant the visa that you really wanted and the bridging visa A winds up automatically, having done all that it was meant to do in the first place. So the bridging visa is not an easy alternative visa. No, definitely not. I've repeated this statement more times than I could ever remember over the years, and it's an essential concept to grasp. Visas are grants, they are not rights. You are not purchasing a visa. You're not saying, "I think I'll have," before putting your money down on the counter. Yes, they are expensive and you could be justified in thinking you had just made a large purchase, but you've done no such thing. You are asking the legal decision makers who represent the Australian government to make a decision that they are constitutionally allowed to make. Well, that means the onus is on you to do the right thing to get that visa grant. You need to dot all the I's and cross all the T's on a proper visa application and lodge it in plenty of time before the current visa runs out. You have to organise yourselves and allow yourselves plenty of time to get this right, and you need to treat it as though your life depended on it. In fact, your future happiness does depend on it, which means that there's no time to be casual about it, getting distracted or waiting until the last minute, and most definitely underestimating how much work is involved in a successful partner visa application. All of these are bad mistakes. Now, partner visas take months to prepare, most definitely. Further, tourist visas are much easier, however they are still visa applications and should be given enough time to put them together properly so your particular case is presented as well as it could possibly be presented. Now, we have done plenty of articles on bridging visas on the Down Under Visa blog page, all designed to help you to make informed and educated decisions about your future happiness. Forget the advice of well-meaning amateurs. This all comes from Manila's best registered migration agents who see applicants trying to slap together last-minute rush jobs, and we have had to pick up the pieces more than a few times. So please be well organised and get your facts only from those who know what they're talking about. Thank you. This video was brought to you by Down Under Visa who specialise in visas for Australian Filipino couples. Please visit our website and complete a free visa assessment form. And please watch some of our other videos. Thank you.